Now moving towards the diagnostic tests that are actually required for the temporomandibular pain dysfunction syndrome. Okay. So how you will diagnose it? Either it can be on clinical basis or radiographic examination that reveals whether there are any pathologies present of joint or not. When in radiograph, joint changes only arise with the degenerative disease. They are saying in the radiograph, when the joints are changed, it is due to any degenerative or necrotic disease. Diagnosis of this is by exclusion of organic disease, means you will exclude multiple diseases. Isolated headache or painless joints. Okay, sounds are not diagnostic for the pain dysfunction syndrome, means you cannot say the patient has sounds, so it is diagnostic. Okay, and the headache and the painless joint should be isolated. Now moving towards how the patient will be managed. uh, First of all, initial conservative, you will there will be first of all you will have a conservative approach. Reassure the patient that it is normal, it can be and then it will be cure. Actually, educate about the patient that you should not sleep on that side on which you feel pain actually. Okay, habit management, tell the patient to have some jaw exercises. Okay, very important. Sometimes we give the patient the ice cream sticks to multiple ice cream sticks to put in the mouth and to for almost 5 minutes, so the jaw can be open for a long time. Awareness of the daytime jaw clenching. Modification of function means you should not do any like habit like clenching bruxism. Okay, uh, then you give rest by the anti-inflammatory agents like analgesic, either local systematic, best muscle relaxant, which is actually a diazepam. Occlusal splint, we can have actually two types of splints are used. First of all is used by stabilizing, which is given for the 6 months. The other is for the relieving one. Okay, then you give the physiotherapy. Okay, very important again, that is okay. Now specialist management, you will give the psychological intervention if the psychogenic factor is involved. Occlusal adjustment, if the occlusal like occlusal rehabilitation, you have restoration, orthodontic, orthogynetic surgery, means you will do surgery. Antidepressants, psychotherapy, intra-articular steroids, you will give actually steroids. Manipulation under the general anesthesia, you will give general anesthesia or surgery like arthrocentesis or arthroscopy. Open articular surgery or arthrotomy can be given. Psychiatric lesion clinic or pain clinic. So means we have discussed the diagnostic tests like radiographs. If you have seen any joint pathology, if there is any joint pathology, or it can or either any degenerative disease, you can say. Okay, and secondly, the headache and painless joint should be isolated. Okay, sounds cannot be diagnostic. How you will manage, you will first of all reassure the patient, educate the patient, do not sleep on one side, or basically you will the habits means like clenching, you will tell not to do actually. Then you will give like you will give muscle relaxants, analgesics to the patient, psychotherapy, and special like if the psychogenic factor involved, occlusal, or you will do surgery, or like these things, like you will give the these special treatments you will give, or specialist management.